What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So it's my first video of the new year, so I want to say happy new year's to you guys and I hope you enjoy. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. So in today's video, we'll be installing a unit from CurlyMe here. This is their packaging. I already have my hair braided and prepped, ready to go. So I'm just going to show you guys the unit and then just roll right into the video. So this unit is gorgeous. This is their 24-inch 9x6 spiral curl, and as you can see, this unit is actually a kinky straight unit with the spiral curls at the end, which makes the unit even more gorgeous. The lace came pre-plucked. The lace was already pre-cut for us. The unit was ready to wear straight out the box. It already had the adjustable band attached, and then surprisingly they had another adjustable band inside. Easy to install to fit the unit to your head, and it's 100% durable, ready to wear straight out of the box. I love this unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the unit. Honestly, there's not much to do with this unit. This unit is just a grab and go unit, 5-minute install. As you can tell by how short the video is, like there's not much to do. The unit is already pre-styled. If you want to do a center part, you can go ahead and do a bust down center part. If you want to do a side part, it has that nice deep versatile lace that allows you to style the unit however you want, and I honestly just love this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install the unit quick and simple because there's not much for us to do. I'm just gonna start by applying a little bit of bronzer around the hairline just so it blends better with my skin. It's a little bit white around the edges, so I just wanted to apply a little bit of bronzer to blend it into my skin. I will be keeping this unit 100% glueless. I won't be applying anything to the hairline. I'm just gonna keep the natural style of the unit because I love the style of the unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish installing the unit, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So here she is. She's gorgeous. I love it. I decided to add some one curls to give it like a really nice look, and I love how that turned out. It is super gorgeous. The unit itself is just really pretty. The hair is super soft, super lightweight, and it's so bouncy. Like you can see in the video how the curls are just moving. I love everything about this unit, and it's a 10 out of 10 for me. So this is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. I genuinely love this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in another video.